All right, money makers. Welcome back to a new day. This is Fanvue, Fanvue, the website where you can create AI influencers to start making money online and charge a premium subscription. So we're gonna walk through the steps of how to actually go through and start doing it. So this is the Fanvue website. I'll put the link in the description. Click on Start Earning. Put in your country of residency. And then you want to click on AI creator. Doom, 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 doom. Click continue. Um, I guess you can put not safe for work, but you only can change that once. So make sure you put the right category, what type of content you plan on creating. And then how do you identify? Female, male, non-binary, all of that good stuff. Um, you can click on. It's going to make you do a self identity check. So even if you are creating AI, they want to know if who's the person that's creating this AI avatar, so you can be able to cash out your money as well. So I just went on ahead and created a pre-generated AI using Leonardo AI. If you're not familiar with Leonardo AI, it's basically where you can create any text to image, and it'll create exactly what you want. Uh, I just gave it something like create a beautiful AI influencer, and it did just that. If you want to get more specific about the details, the facial structures and stuff like that, just ask ChatGPT to do that to help you out. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that, but it's really simplistic and straightforward for that one. So let's go back to our fan view, creating our content or creating our profile. And Jacqueline will be the AI influencer name, and then give her a handle. Jacqueline, you know, you can do even 2025. You can do 20, 25, whatever you want. Click on continue, um, and then give her some more depth and information. You might want to crop that down. I just did that something really quick. And then click on continue, and then how much you want to charge. Now, you can charge whatever you want for people to see it per post, but I would go with something like very small and in the beginning, and then as with time goes on and people and the AI influencer gains more traction, you can up the price. I'm sure you can always up this subscription price at a later point on when you get more popular. But for right now, people don't know the AI influencers, so start with $10 or even $15, whatever you fancy, whatever tickles your fancy. And oop, that's too much. $15 right there. And then what are you most popular for? OnlyFans, YouTube, TikTok. If you have another YouTube, TikTok with an AI influencer, you might want to maybe build an audience over there first, so then you can tell people more about this. That's what I would do if I was just getting started. But if you don't, it's fine. You could just click other if you're not popular on any other website. But you do want to build an audience on those platforms, so so people know who you are, and they might want to subscribe to you over there. So it's important to do that. And then you need to verify your identity. This is where I just was telling you this earlier. You need to do an identity document check, probably like the passport or something like that, and then a selfie to go ahead and do that. It's not going to let me go past forward with this, but it's only two more steps after this, and you'll be able to complete your profile. You're going to have to do that on your own time, but it's straightforward. Just let me know if this is something that you like these kind of tutorials. But I'll give you a brief overview about the particular website here. Let me see. And view. There we go. So this is my home screen. This is like my earnings tab. And you can follow different people. And that click and becoming a creator is where you just seen all those steps at. And you can discover creators too. Maybe you might want to collaborate with some AI influencers or models. But this is kind of just your own. It's gonna have your profile picture, what we just created, and stuff like that. Messages, profile, um, your settings and all the good stuff to kind of keep track of your money and stuff like that. But that is it. That's all I have for you guys. I would say charge $15. And if you do that for the next, 3 months, you made $45 in about 3 months. But if you charge less than that, $10 for the good 3 months, that's $30. Um, and you can even charge probably maybe up to 50. You know, I don't know if you want to do it on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, but it's up to you to do that. But this is just a little bit of how you would create and get started with Fanvue. It's really popular, so I would highly suggest that you start this year because the market for it is probably going to become oversaturated once people starting to realize that you can make money from a not real person, which is very strange. Usually, you have to be an actual person to make money in life, but we live in a different time period now where you can make money by being an AI influencer, and you don't have, and that person doesn't even have to be real. But let me know if you like these type of videos. But other than that, take care, my money makers. Bye now.